GM Bet with Size here, and this is going to be a quick video on technical analysis because I bet you want to use it to make your overall meme coin trading and normal trading better. Why use TA? Because you can get good levels for your entries, exits, and it's overall useful just as a trader to have the skill of being able to spot certain levels and use them to your advantage. So yeah, for our example we're going to use Chill Guy and we're going to make a simple analysis of the levels. What tool I really like to use is Fibonacci retracement because it's very simple. It's basically going to draw like all the levels for you. You start here, like you gotta select it, start here where the coin started, and boom, put it all the way to the highs. Maybe not to the top of the wick, but where the candles close. And also, depends if you want to do more long-term or short-term TA. You can do the analysis on shorter time frames, but you can do them for the bigger picture too. So, to explain Fibonacci. This golden zone is usually a good zone of where the coin is gonna bounce from. I'm not gonna go deep down on how it works, but you got different levels here, and as you see, even though you didn't draw the levels yourself, the chart is reacting of these zones. This blue zone, this green zone, like as you see here, it almost tapped it. This golden zone kinda, and also this red zone here bounced away, then bounced off the golden one, then again got rejected around here, and now it's back down here. And how you want to use it to your advantage is Chill Guy is on 440 million market cap, but let's say you don't want to enter right now and you want it cheaper. Then to know like what zone to aim for your entry, you can use these levels. Let's say you see that last time it bounced off here of 0.37, so you can get a line, point this level, and you see the price is 0.3703. It doesn't have to be that specific, but 0.37. And then you can head over to your trading bot that you are using, either Nova or BULLX, and create a buy order of this zone. And then when you make your buy order, when the coin, if the coin goes to the zone that you marked here, which has decent chances because it bounced off right here, did it a second time, and there is a chance it's gonna bounce off for the third time, then your order is automatically gonna fill and you're gonna have a position entered at 370 million market cap and not at 440 million. So if you wait patiently, and a very important trait that almost all good traders have is being patient. If you wait patiently at this example and you buy in at 37 and not 44 million, then you get like almost 20% difference of the price when you wait. So let's say you put in 10,000 bucks on here on 37 and it goes back to like 44, then you'd be up 2k. So there is Fibonacci for like getting the levels automatically, but you can also do it by hand. So let me quickly remove this. And how to do it by hand is basically you have to look for places where the price reacted from. So we're gonna mark our top all-time high here, floor. We're gonna find support levels. This is like an early strong support level. So 0.63 is like all-time high. 0.21 is like a really low support level, but a very strong one. Generally these zones, like there is these zones in the middle, like let's say this one, And you can mark them with a different color too if you want. Like, let's say this is all-time high, this is a hard level to break, then you mark it with red. This is a night zone where you want to buy, mark it with like orange. And this is a super low level, but very likely to react off, and you mark it with green. You don't have to play around with these, but you can. I personally don't really do like coloring of these. I don't know, some people like to have it aesthetic. So you basically look for the points where price reacted multiple times. Like if a price reacted of a certain place multiple times, then the level is more important and stronger. Because for example, you see like, of course, everywhere price is changing, but if it keeps changing at one spot, if it keeps reacting of one spot, then it's more likely that when it gets to there again, that it's gonna react again. So let's say imaginary, we're gonna draw, it's gonna go up, boom, down, then you can buy in here, boom, boom, gets to all-time highs again, and if you wanna swing trade, then you would sell on the all-time highs and then hope for it to bounce back down. Then you can buy near this zone again, and that's basically swing trading explained quickly. Swing trading is another topic, but swing trading is basically trading of certain zones and just taking profits in between. Because there's people that are just gonna buy in once and be a long-term holder, and there are swing traders that are gonna buy, sell, and just make these rounds. And there is also making trend lines, but personally I don't really use trend lines that much. But yeah, you can also connect, like you connect levels from the past, then a trend line is gonna form. But I personally prefer using just these normal levels, not trend lines. But there is also patterns you can learn, like bullish triangle. And yeah, there's a lot of complicated stuff in TA you can learn. But if you really get down the basics, if you learn how to spot the right levels and mark the right levels, or just use Fibonacci, like I said, very simple. I'll show you again. Select it here, Fibonacci retracement, boom. And if you just learn these levels, how to draw them and how the price reacts of them, then you're gonna be good. You don't have to go super deep into technical analysis, especially in meme coins, because TA tends to be more important in bigger coins like Bitcoin or ETH. And some people are neglecting TA in meme coins, but I think it's important. Like, you can definitely make your trading better with it, because you can wait for certain zones, get better entries, know what to aim for exiting trades. Because some people just buy in and they have no idea where would they even want to sell. So it's a useful skill. Join my Telegram. I'm calling multiple 50, 60, 30x's there. Trying to share some knowledge that I got. Follow my Twitter. And if you don't have a trading bot yet, check the bio. I recommend you Nova or BULLX. These are the best two bots right now. That's what I think. Leave a sub. Great content is coming, and I believe in you. Betrosize is out. Have a great day.